Hi, in front of me is REALME C21 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this REALME. Firstly, open Play Store and type LED keyboard. Then you need to download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click Get Started. Then choose OK, tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard, choose Activate and tap Input Options. Then select LED keyboard one more time and pick one of the options about your ads. When you're done, pick keyboard that you like the best by clicking on the chosen one. I will go with that one. Now close the ad and choose Get Theme. When I go back and try to access my keyboard, I can see that LED one was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!